If you have a Samsung Galaxy phone, you usually have access to a feature called RAM Plus, which is designed to basically increase your phone's memory and allow you to run more apps simultaneously while keeping things fast and smooth. To turn on RAM Plus, you'll go to Settings and then scroll down to Device Care. From there, you'll go to Memory, and you'll see the RAM Plus setting all the way on the bottom. You can toggle it on and off, and there's a few options below that determine how much extra memory is allocated to your phone. On high-end Samsung phones, you might see options as high as 6, 8, or 12 gigabytes. On budget phones like mine, you're usually limited to smaller amounts. When you turn this on, or anytime you change the amount of memory, your phone needs to restart. The way this works is actually pretty cool. Your phone has its memory, which you can think of as the super fast short-term memory, where it keeps things like apps that are currently open and all the multitasking you're doing. It also has its storage, which is the long-term storage for files and data. RAM Plus basically takes up a chunk of your storage and uses it for the active, short-term memory use. Using storage is slower than using the built-in memory, but it's still faster than loading up apps from scratch. Now, when your phone hands off tasks from the memory to the storage, it does take some time and processing power. Usually you don't notice anything, but some users debate that this might actually slow things down on cheaper phones with slower processors. I'm not sure if that's true, but if your phone feels stuttery after enabling this, you might want to try turning RAM Plus off. On high-end phones, the storage is usually so fast that you won't see any change in performance. Anyways, that's how you use the RAM Plus feature. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.